Hi guys, today I will be doing my skincare routine and I will review a few sponsored products that I received from Yesstyle. So please keep on watching. Thank you. Our first product is COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, and so far I've been using this product for almost 4 years and all I can say that this product is very good. And also this product is good for acne prone skin, oily and sensitive skin. This product helps to balance the pH of your skin and also it cleans the skin well from impurities, and it is very affordable and it contains tea tree oil, so probably it's not good for that dry skin. Next is our Skinnol Papaya Smooth Glow Facial Deep Cleanser, and this product I've been using this for 12 years and this is made from the Philippines. I love this product because it removes dirt and excess oils, leaving the skin looking clearer, whiter, and younger. Also, it is enriched with the natural skin whitening properties of real papaya. It has a very high alcohol content, so I recommend to keep your eyes shut while applying this toner. It smells like a sweet papaya and it is very affordable too. I used to have an acne scar before, but I use this product to lighten the complexion of that acne scar. Next is our Centella Water Alcohol-Free Toner from COSRX. I like to hydrate my skin so much, that's why I'm using a lot of toner. It is alcohol-free and irritant-free, which is suitable for sensitive skin, and it has a toner pH of level 6 to 7. It is really hydrating, gentle, and I really like that the main ingredient here is extremely soothing and calming. It is a spray toner, so it is easy to use. It doesn't cause dryness, and it has that calming effect that helps your skin moisture all the time. Okay guys, our next product is from Jomiso and it is called the Waterfall Hyaluronic Toner. This product is sponsored by Yesstyle. It is good for dry skin, dehydrated skin, water-oil imbalance, rough and flaky skin. It is fragrance-free and you can use it every day as a daily toner. It has a twist-up applicator and the texture is thick, bouncy liquid, dense and very slippery. Also, it is not oily as you can see and not greasy as well. It is super hydrating and it quickly absorbs into my skin. It doesn't feel sticky and it is very lightweight. This one is my Collagen Revive Serum from Province Beauty. I use this during the night. This product helps the production of natural oils to promote healthy glowing skin, and also it helps to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles that results to younger looking skin. You just need to apply 2 to 3 drops on your fingertips, and there is a saying that a little goes a long way. Okay guys, our next product is from Province Beauty Vitamin C and it is called the Glow Day Serum. I use this in the morning and I really love this product because it helps brighten my skin while protecting them from daily irritants. And also the Vitamin C Serum, it helps reduces signs of aging, brighten my acne scars and wrinkles. So it's the same, you just need a 2 to 3 drops on your fingertips and gently massage this into your clean, moist skin. Our second product is called Aromatica Comforting Calendula Decoction Juicy Cream. Oh my god, the name is too long, but this one guys is sponsored again by Yesstyle and it has a vegan formula. It is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and it is suitable for pregnant women and infants. What I love about this product is that it is very hydrating, it doesn't clog your pores, and it doesn't irritate your skin. This cream is very thin and great for the summer. It is very comforting and There is a saying that a little goes a long way, so don't use it too much. Alright guys, I think I forgot to tell you that my favorite brand for my skincare is COSRX. So the next product is called the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucine Power Essence. This product is formulated with 96% snail mucine, and there is so much snail slime that as you pump it out of the bottle and start applying it to your face, you will notice how viscous and syrupy the consistency is. Every time that I use this product, my skin feels elastic and soft to touch. I recommend this for oily skin types because it is water-based, and as you can see, it doesn't have much oil in the product, which means it will hydrate your skin without clogging your pores. Also, it is perfect for dry skin because it helps retain moisture and it helps nourishing and protecting the skin. And also, it is good for sensitive skin because it doesn't have added fragrances. The last product guys is the oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion from COSRX. It is suitable for all skin types including sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. It helps to hydrate, protects, and comforts the skin with an oil-free, lightweight formula. I've been using this product guys for God knows, I think over 4 years now, and this is always the last step of my morning skincare routine. The consistency wise of this product is it is very light, silky, hydrating but not runny. It is easy to dispense from the pump bottle and it is easy to spread onto the skin.